Hello, I'm your AI interviewer for today, and I'll be conducting your interview for the software development engineer role at Microsoft. The interview will cover your experience, some technical questions, and a coding challenge where you'll use a built-in code editor. We might also have a system design round with a whiteboard. We have about 30 minutes in total. Are you ready to begin?
Sure, I'm ready to get started.
Great. To start, could you please tell me about a challenging technical problem you've faced in a past role and how you approach solving it?
Yeah, sure. At BlueTech, we noticed that our cache reporting pipeline was taking too long to triage, which was causing delays in fixing critical bugs. And I led a small cross-functional effort to instrument the application with the granular error logging.
That sounds like an important initiative. Could you elaborate on how you identified the specific bottlenecks in the reporting pipeline and what tools or methods you used for that granular error logging?
Or in that project, I first instrumented the pipeline with lightweight metrics at each stage using Prometheus counters for request rates and latency histograms for processing time. And and then I visualized the data in Grafana dashboard, which let me spot a sudden spike in latency around the data enrichment step.
That's a clear explanation of your diagnostic process. Once you identified that spike in latency around the data enrichment step, what steps did you take to resolve that specific bottleneck and improve the pipeline's performance?
Great question. After pinpointing the latency spike in the enrichment stage, I first profiled the code with Nodes Clinic tool to see where the time was being spent, and the profiling revealed that the series level API call was being made sequentially for each record, causing a cascade of networks round trips.
Thank you for that detailed explanation. It sounds like you effectively diagnosed and addressed the issue. Now, I'd like to move on to a coding challenge. To prepare for that, could you please share your screen with me? Please click the share screen button in your control bar. Once you're sharing, I'll present the coding problem, and you can use the code editor panel on the right side of your screen. You'll be able to run your code and submit it when you're done.
Yeah, sure. I have shared my screen and just give me some time to read the question.
Take your time. Once you've had a chance to understand the problem, feel free to walk me through your initial thoughts on how you'd approach solving it. You're working on the solution. Could you please describe your thought process as you implement the code? For instance, what data structures are you considering and why?